In this video, I will show you how to fix Instagram account disabled for no reason. So whenever you open Instagram and you try to log into your account and then you get a disable notice, then simply click on learn more or request a review, or you can even find disagree with decision. Simply click on it. After that, you will be directed to this Instagram help center from the web browser. Simply file your report. Be prepared to upload a photo of your government issued ID. You might even have to record a selfie video showing your real face. And after that, inform that you have not violated any community guidelines and your account was disabled without any reason. And then simply tell them to please review and then simply send it. You must have to submit your appeal within the 30-day window, and also make sure that you're not sending hundreds of requests. Just send one and then they will just simply review it, and that's it. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.